Okay, welcome to this training. MTN brought out another MiFi called MTN Broadband MF935 LTE UFI. Okay, this MiFi is similar to MTN 4G MiFi ZLT M305 LTE, but is not the same with it. Okay, reason being that MTN 4G MF MiFi ZLT M305 LTE can connect up to 10 Wi-Fi devices, but this has it said LTE Cat 6 Cat 4 high-speed download connecting up to 8 Wi-Fi devices. So you can connect up to 8 devices, connect your phone, your laptops, and others up to 8 devices. But that of M305 0S connects up to 10 devices. Okay, so MF935 LTE UFI is different from the M305 model. So let's just open it. So you can see so you see you have it, and you have the details here. Okay, you have the details, have the battery. When you open the battery, you can see the Wi-Fi key and other details. So this to help you not to misplace your login details. So you put it back and you see the SIM. The SIM is not the standard SIM is. Okay, so you put it back. Though we've already put in the SIM. It doesn't come with SIM. You have to get SIM yourself. And it comes with this, so you use it to charge. Use it to charge. You connect it to this place. And then connect the head, and then you charge it. Okay, so this is what you can see, and it has a small manual. This is where you charge it. These are the indicator points, lights when they are on. Okay, so to power it on, you have the power here, the power symbol. You press it. Okay, and it will soon come on. Okay, the lights are coming on. It's turning to green. This is the signal strength. Okay, this is the battery. Okay, so lights are coming on. So with this, you connect it using the normal way of connecting other MiFi, MTN MiFi. So I hope you do enjoy it. We do more of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.